And especially with industrial companies today, if they own the real estate is much more valuable a lot of times than the owner realizes because industrial properties are very hot right now. For a couple times recently, I've told owners what the real estate was worth, and it's worth more than the businesses. So they were pretty pleased to hear that. So,
I mean, as somebody who does a lot of exit planning from a lawyer standpoint, so it is just so much easier to be able to do things for tax deferral with real estate, doing 1031s, opportunity zones, what have you, than necessarily with a business. So, I mean, one of the things that I'll talk to folks about is, within reason, as the business broker is putting together the package and doing the negotiations, sometimes you can put the thumb a little bit on the scale to make the real estate be more valuable than the business. A lot of it has to do, though, with the buyer, ultimate buyer, where they're getting their financing and what's going to work.